I started decorating cakes when I was 6 years old. My daddy used to give me scraps to practice on. I like decorating cakes. I only do cakes on the weekend. It's fun and it makes me happy. My favorite SpongeBob, it took me 3 days to finish it. I was laughing when I was making the cake. I like trying new designs, and sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's difficult, but my mama is always there for me to help.
So I started baking when Ziona was 8 months old. I wanted to make her first birthday cake. I used to tie her on my back and I would, frost and practice, and she would peep from under my arms to, see what I'm doing. And she's, basically watched us making cakes all her life.
I share them with my neighbors and my friends. They say it's tasty and lovely.
She has an extremely giving heart. Even from the onset, any practice cake she makes, she loves boxing it, writing a name on it, and giving it to someone. For her, complete joy is when she sees joy on their face. This is what she loves doing. But if in the future she does take a turn to do something else, we will support her.
I would love to make a cake for Steve Harvey's birthday. And you know what? Me and Steve Harvey are born in the same month of Jan. So this cake is special for BBC News. So right now I finished cutting the logo for BBC.